And the baby is gone.
Edna?
Dash, go get him!
Get going! Hold on! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey! No lasers, Jack!
Dash, did you get it? He just disappeared!
The baby has teleported to the next tunnel.
Got it! Hey, sweetie, come to mommy! No, don't go gooey! Oh, Jack!
Cookie! No, he's gone.
Seriously?
Whoa! You set the tunnel on fire!
Miles, use your force field!
Go get him! No! Gotcha! Violet!
Just relax, everything's cool!
Now he's multiplying! Jack!
Jack!
Oh, the little one returns.
Oh, thank goodness!
You are tremendous, darling. You make your Auntie Edna so proud.
Sorry that got a little crazy. Babies can be unpredictable.
Yeah, Mom. Super babies.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop. Remember to gather your belongings.
And your little brother.